Okay, here's a good question where you're needing to rationalize the denominator. So if it's a cube root, and the cube root usually we put right in there, right in the index spot. If it's a cube root of 25, cube root means I need three things that are the same to get one out. And so multiplying everything by root 5 gives you cube root of 125, and the cube root of 125, I'll write it over here, is the same as cube root of 5 times 5 times 5. There's 3 inside. The cube root of 125 is 5. Perfect. Now, when you're multiplying, you got to make sure you can't multiply radicals that don't have the same index. So both of these must be cube roots. So then on the top, to simplify that, I've got cube root of 120. Now, so cube root of 120 over 5. So to simplify this, I need to take the cube root of 120. I'll just put it over 5 still. And I want to break that out into factors. So I guess you could go 40 times 3. Now if it was a square root, the 4 there's something there, but it's cube root, right? So cube root, I'm looking for numbers like 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed 64, etc. I'm looking for those numbers. 40 and 3 aren't them. But we can keep going. 40 is the same as 4 times 10. 4 times 10 times 3. Let me keep going. 4 is 2 times 2. 10 is 2 times 5. There we go. Times 3. So there's 3 numbers inside that I can take one out. You could also rewrite that as a cube root of 2 cubed times 3. Oh no, 3 times 5. I missed the 5 there. Or we could have said cube root of 8. If you can see that the 8 is there, you could have done that too. And you got your 3 times 5 in there too. At any rate, that 2 is going to be able to come out front. So I'll have a 2 out front, and then the cube root of 5 times 3 is 15, all over what we had originally, 5. So that would be our answer there. It's easy to forget the cube root thing, eh? Like over here to forget putting that 3 in there. So I'm not sure how you remember to do that, but that's something you have to be consistent. If you have a cube root, then if you're multiplying by something, make sure it's a cube root.